Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Excel in Android. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to get MS Excel in Android. Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And guys, you have to download or get MS Word. Go to my channel, and so let's start our video. First, click on this Play Store, and guys, this type of interface open. Then click on this search from apps and games. Then click on it, and here you type MS Excel. Then click on MS Excel. Guys, you can see MS Excel is there, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Then click on this install. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.